Hi, hello, welcome to Homeschool. This is your Class 8 Mathematics NCERT or CBSE board. We are in a third chapter, Linear Equations in One Variable, Exercise 3.4, fifth problem. Shobo's mother's present age is 6 times Shobo's present age. Shobo's age 5 years from now will be 1/3 of his mother's present age. What are their present ages? In this problem, we are talking about age. Whose age? Shobo's and Shobo's mother age. Okay? When we get like this problems, we need to read the question carefully 2 to 3 times, understand each and every line and then start the solution. Okay? Let me start the solution by saying again first line. Shobo's mother's present age is 6 times Shobo's present age. We are going to assume any one person's age. Which person we are going to assume? We are talking about Shobo's present age. Right? So, let Shobo's present age. When we write let, we are assuming it. Let Shobo's present age be X years. Okay? And one more person, Shobo's mother's present age is equal to is 6 times. 6 times means we need to multiply 6. 6 times Shobo's present age, 6x years. Only one person's age we are assuming. Then the other person we write with 6 times the present age of Shobo. Next line. Shobo's age 5 years from now. Shobo's age 5 years from now is equal to 5 years from now means we need to add. Previous means or back if we say we need to subtract. 5 years from now, Shobo's age I am talking. What is Shobo's age? X. 5 years from now means plus 5. Okay? Shobo's age 5 years from now we have written. Next, the statement we need to frame in the form of an equation. Okay? Let me read again. Shobo's age 5 years from now will be 1/3 of his mother's present age. According to the problem, you can say question, you can say according to the problem. How we can write now this one? Shobo's age 5 years from now, x plus 5 will be equal to 1/3, 1/3. 1/3 of his mother's present age. 1/3 of his mother's present age is how much? 6x. 1/3 into 6x. If you want, you can cancel directly. 3 2s are 6. Right? X plus 5 is equal to 2x. The variable, here you have the variable and this side also you have the variable. Either you can go with the balancing method or you can go with the transposing method of your own wish. Okay, let me bring this variable this side. X plus 2x, if it is transposed, minus 2x plus 5 if you transpose, minus 5. Okay, x minus 2x, 1 minus 2 will be minus, variable is x is equal to minus 5. Minus will be cancelled. Therefore, x is equal to 5. Any way you can do, transpose either that variable this side or that side. Right? I got x is equal to 5. What is this x? X is the present age of Shobu. Right? We need to find what are their present ages. Continue the problem statement here. Therefore, the present age of Shobu is equal to x is equal to 5 years. Next, present age of Shobu's mother is equal to 6x. That will be 6 into 5. 6 5s are 30. 30 years. Therefore, the present age of Shobu is 5 years and Shobu's mother is 30 years. Shobu's mother's age is 6 times Shobu's present age we are talking. So we need to assume Shobu's age as x and his mother's age is 6 times Shobu's age, that is 6x. Okay, then there is a condition. What is that? Shobu's age 5 years from now. Add 5 for the Shobu's present age. Shobu's age 5 years from now will be 1/3 of Shobu's mother's present age. Understand that 5 years from now, when we are talking mother's age and Shobu's age, both we need to add 5. But in this question, 5 years only we added for Shobu. And we are comparing that word to the Shobu's mother's age. Shobu's age 5 years from now will be 1/3 of Shobu's mother's age. Mother's present age. Okay. So solve this. You are going to get the answer. That is Shobu's age is 5 years. Shobu's mother's age is 30 years. Sixth one. There is a narrow rectangular plot reserved for a school. Okay, let me draw a rectangular plot reserved for school. Okay, in Maholi village, the length and breadth of the plot are in the ratio 11:4. Length and breadth are in the ratio 11:4. At the rate of 100 rupees per meter, it will cost the village panchayat 75,000 rupees to fence the plot. What are the dimensions of the plot is your question. So try to understand the question. There is a rectangular plot which is reserved for a school. Okay, and their length and breadth are in the ratio 11:4. We don't know exact dimension. So when ratio given, what we need to do? We need to multiply this with a variable. Okay, that is, this is length, right? 11x. Breadth 4x. Length and breadth are in the ratio 11:4. So exact you want means multiply with a variable. Length is 11x and breadth is 4x. And in rectangle, opposite sides are equal, right? This is 11x. This will be 11x and this will be 4x. In this problem, we are talking about a fence of a school ground. Fencing. Fencing means only perimeter of a rectangle we are going to talk. To fence this plot, each meter 100 rupees and it will cost the village panchayat 75,000 rupees to fence the plot. So, we know total amount and each meter cost we know. We should know the perimeter of a rectangle. If you know the perimeter of a rectangle, you can find the length and also breadth. See there, I have marked A, B, C, D for the rectangular plot. Let A, B, C, D be the rectangular school plot. Okay, and their dimensions are in the ratio 11:4. Therefore, what you can say? Length is equal to 11x and breadth is equal to 4x. And we know cost of fencing. Cost of fencing is how much? Rupees 75,000. And we know cost for 1 meter. 1 meter cost is how much? 100 rupees. Now let us understand this problem by taking an example. I have 1,000 rupees of apples. How much amount of apples I have? 1,000 rupees cost apples I have. And I know that each kg cost is 100 rupees. Then can you say how many kgs of apples are there? Yes, we can say by dividing the total cost of the apples by 1 kg cost, if you divide, you are going to get the total number of kgs. See here, suppose if I have 1,000 rupees cost of apples are there with me, and each kg cost is 100 rupees. Each 1 kg of apples cost is 100 rupees. So total how many kgs I have means? Just you divide, cancel and say 10 kgs of apples are there. Yes or no? Same manner, I know the cost to fence this rectangle and each meter cost also I know. So at that time, what you need to know? Perimeter. What is the perimeter of this rectangle? We can get by dividing these two. Perimeter is equal to 75,000 by 100. Two zeros cancel. Therefore, perimeter is equal to 750 meters. What is the perimeter of this rectangle? 750 meters. And next step, we need to calculate the dimensions of this rectangle, that is length and breadth. Okay, but what is perimeter of a rectangle formula? Perimeter of a rectangle is equal to 2 times L plus B. 2 times L plus B. That is 2 into length 11x plus breadth 4x. Okay, and I know what is the perimeter of a rectangle value is 750 meters. See here, formula I have written, and what is the perimeter of this rectangle I know, that is 750. Equate with this. Okay, this 2 multiple, transpose other side. 750 by 2 is equal to 11x plus 4x will be 15x. Cancel this one. 2 3s are 6, 2 7s are 14, 2 5s are 10. That means 15x is equal to 375. X is equal to 375 by 15. Cancel. 15 2s are 30. 15 5s are 75. Therefore, x is equal to 25. So, I got x is equal to 25. Next, we need to find the dimensions. Length is equal to, what is length? 11x. 11 into 25. That is 275 meters. Length of the rectangle is 275 meters. And coming to breadth of a rectangle. Breadth is equal to 4x. 4 into 25. That will be 100 meters. Therefore, what is the length and breadth of this rectangular plot? Length is 11x, that is 11 into 25, 275 meters. And breadth is 100 meters. Okay, let's see once again. See here, there is a rectangular plot in Mahuli village. It is to be fenced. Fencing cost of this rectangle is 75,000. And each meter cost is 100 rupees. Okay. So, what is the perimeter of a rectangle means what we have done? We have divided this. We got 750 meters. Actual perimeter of a rectangle formula is 2 into L plus D. We got what is the perimeter of a rectangle, that is 750. So, equate with this, we are going to get X value. In your question, length and breadth ratio is 11:4 given. We have assumed length as 11x and breadth as 4x. After getting x value, substitute in both length and breadth, you are going to get the two dimensions. Okay, is this clear? Seventh problem. Hassan buys two kinds of cloth materials for school uniforms. Shirt material that costs him 50 rupees per meter and trouser material that costs him 90 rupees per meter. For every 3 meters of the shirt material, he buys 2 meters of the trouser material. He sells the materials at 12% and 10% profit respectively. His total sale is 36,600. How much trouser material did he buy? So this problem is little lengthy and it is also confusing problem. So let us understand it very easily. Okay, I am not going to write all the statements, but I am going to explain it easily. Statements you can add later. Whatever I explain, that statements you can add in the answer. Let us start the solution by reading each and every line again. Who is the person we are talking here? Hassan. Hassan buys two kinds of cloth materials for school uniform. Hassan is buying two types of cloth materials for school uniform. One is for shirt and another is for trouser. Next point, shirt material. Shirt material that costs him 50 rupees per meter. Shirt material cost is equal to 50 rupees per meter. Each meter cost of shirt material is how much? 50 rupees. And trouser material that costs him 90 rupees. Trouser material cost is equal to 90 rupees per meter. And next one, for every 3 meters of the shirt material, he buys 2 meters of the trouser material. The ratio of shirt and trouser material is equal to shirt and trouser material is equal to what is the ratio? You can see 3:2. See, ratio of the shirt and trouser material is 3:2. So how much material they have taken means you need to multiply that ratio with a variable. So material taken for shirt, material for shirt is equal to 3x and material for trouser is equal to 2x. Okay. So, what we have seen here, see material for shirt, how much needed? 3x. And trouser 2x meters. You can write this with 3x meter and 2x meter. 3x meters and 2x meters. Now, we need to find the cost. Cost of shirt material. Cost of shirt material is equal to. So total cost, children, here. Shirt material, how much he need? 3x. And cost of each meter is 50. So multiply this. 50 into 3x is equal to 150x meters needed. Same manner, cost of trouser material. Cost of trouser material is equal to, what is the trouser material cost? 90 rupees per meter. Total how much trouser material needed? 2x meters. Into 2x is equal to 92 180x meters. Okay, let me read the next point. He sells the material at 12% and 10% profit. Profit of selling shirt material is equal to how much given? 12%. Right? And same manner, profit of selling trouser material is equal to how much percent profit there? 10%. Okay. So last statement. His total sale is how much? 36,600 rupees. How much trouser material did he buy is your question. We know here profit we know, and what is the cost price we know. We need to find the selling price. Selling price, what is the formula? Selling price SP is equal to 100 plus profit by 100 into cost price. Okay. So selling price of shirt is equal to 100 plus profit is how much? 12%. That is 12 by profit percent, this one. Okay. 12 by 100 into, what is the cost price of shirt? 150x. This one, what happens? 0 cancels. 5 2s are 5 3s are 15. And this will be 100 plus 12, 112 by 2 into 3x. This one again divide. 2 5s are 2 6s are. Okay. 56 into 3, 168x. What is the total selling price of shirt? 168x. Same manner, selling price of trouser. Selling price of trouser is equal to, same formula, 100 plus, what is the profit percent? 10 by 100 into, what is the cost of trouser material? 180x. 0 cancel. 2 5s are 2 9s are, and this will be 110 by 5 into 9x. 5 22s are 22 9s are 198x. See here, I have written selling price of shirt. Shirt means it is not a single shirt. We are talking here about a selling price of shirt material, selling price of trouser material, and total sale is how much? 36,600. So therefore, selling price of shirt material, you can write, plus selling price of trouser material. I am not writing completely, you can write that, is equal to how much? What is the sale? 36,600 rupees. Selling price of shirt material is how much here? 168x plus trouser material 198x is equal to 36,600. If you simplify this, you are going to get the x value first. 168 plus 198, it will be 366x is equal to 36,600. X keep here and send the number other side. Transpose, that will be 100. X is equal to 100. Therefore, x is equal to 100. After getting x value, see the question again. How much trouser material did he buy? So, where is a trouser material? See here. Material for trouser, 2x meters. Therefore, last statement, I just write here. Look here. Therefore, total trouser material he bought is equal to 2x meters. That is 2 into 100, 200 meters. This is your final answer. Therefore, total trouser material he bought is 200 meters. Same manner, if I ask you what is the total material he bought for shirt means, see here, shirt material 3x, 3 into 100, 300 meters he brought for shirt material. Okay, is this clear? So let's have a quick recap. Hassan brought shirt material and trouser material for school uniform. And each shirt material, each meter cost is 50 rupees. Whereas trouser material, each meter cost is 90 rupees. Hassan need shirt material, if we take 3 meters means trouser material he need 2 meters. Ratio of this is 3:2. That means total material for shirt 3x meters and total material for trouser needed is 2x meters. Cost, if you need, multiply this 3x into 50 and 2x into 90. After getting this, profit of selling given. What is the profit of selling? He gets a profit of 12% for shirt material and 10% for trouser material. Selling price is equal to 100 plus profit percent by 100 into CP. So, here substitute profit percent and their cost price. How did we get this cost price? Each meter and total material needed. If you multiply, you get the cost price. Okay. So, after getting the selling price of shirt material and selling price of trouser material, the total sale given here, 36,600. Add those two, equate to 36,600. You are going to get x value. After getting x value, final answer, total material for trouser is 2x meters. That means 2 into 100 is equal to 200 meters of trouser material is needed. So therefore, he brought 200 meters of trouser material. Okay, with this I am going to end my session. In our next session, we are going to continue with the next problems. Until that, keep watching. Thank you all.